Why not, ma'am? First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sandhya Mishra and I am from UP. I have completed my post graduation and nowadays I am running a YouTube channel which name is Sandhya Ki Classes. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening music, singing and teaching. That's all. Would you
Yeah.
like to introduce
Okay.
yourself?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. As you know, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am from Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher in the Rajasthan government, and I am a mother also. If you talk about my hobbies, so gardening is my all-time favorite hobby. I have a kitchen garden, and I always try to grow the seasonal vegetables time to time. So that's all about me.
Nice, ma'am. Great.
Okay. So, any special purpose to learn this language?
Because, ma'am, English language is becoming a global language. You can say this is our second language. And without English language, we can't achieve anything.
Yeah.
So many purpose, ma'am. You can say so many purpose. If
So
you
when did
want,
you,
so you should English language.
yeah, so when did you start your speaking journey?
I have started my English journey only 30 days because 30
Oh,
days I joined an institute and which name is American Institute from Lucknow. So I nowadays I am learning English language.
how much time do you spend in this coaching institute?
1 hour only, ma'am.
So what kind of your experience in the institute?
Yeah, ma'am teach me in proper way and I easily get understand.
Okay. So what's your opinion? One should join any coaching institute or one should go for the own to learn by own?
Because ma'am, I live in a village area and ma'am teach me from Lucknow. So she teach me online 1 hour.
Okay,
Because
okay.
I am a private teacher, I give tuition at home, and I have a boy. He is 6 years old, and you can say I am a homemaker. So lot of responsibility of for me. I am learning at home.
Okay, so this institute, have you provided any one-to-one session?
Yeah,
Okay, that's nice. So, do you find it is helpful for you in improve your spoken English?
yeah, ma'am. I am improving in this time, so I think this is very helpful.
Okay, what
This
kind of
I
suggestion
did
usually?
a 3 month course.
Okay, so what kind of suggestion have you got from a teacher and your guide, a mentor? Do you want to tell me and our viewer also?
Yeah, ma'am teach me this type of like he always tell me some different types words structures and about grammar and
Okay,
in between she take me debate.
okay. Okay, that's nice. And apart from this activity, so what would you like to do? Any listening, any speaking practice, any writing or reading practice? What would you
Yes,
like to do?
yes, ma'am. I have no any partner for learning English, so I always practice with my son and in front of mirror. And if I always busy that time, I think about my activities. what I am doing this, I am doing that. This type of lot or of sentence I always think and yeah, speak. So, in my opinion, thinking, speaking, listening, and writing and reading. Five things is very important for learning English.
Okay, so what's your suggestion to elevate the mistake? How can we elevate our mistake?
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to say that I do not think about each what will be happen if I speak wrong or right. It does not matter for me because I am in the beginning time and in the beginning time it's happened. So I do not think about because now I have lot of vocab problem. Mistake it's happened with me. So I
Yeah, not
don't
only with you,
always think
also
to
we all
people.
are there to learn. So it's happen with us.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
So
very
I
true.
don't think what will be happen if I speak wrong and people laugh at me, people make fun of me. I don't think about it because I know that I am in the beginning time. I am learning here.
Okay, what do you do to improve your vocab? If you
Ma'am, I
got
write 10 vocab of, for example, if I learn a fruit's name, then one day I learn all fruits name and write again and again, again and again, and making more sentence of this meaning on this meaning.
yeah, yes, very good.
One day
And
I learn all a fruit name, one day vegetable name, one day spice name, like this.
okay, so have you remember any structure do you like most recently? You have learned your institute from your guide and mentor. Would you like to share with me any
Yeah.
structure of that?
Yeah, ma'am. More lot of I nowadays I have lot of structure like ma'am teach me if you want to say I am I am I am drinking tea. So you can say I am taking tea. After that, she teach me I am having tea. So new words she always teach me.
Yeah, very good. Yes. First of all, we should not use the drink word. After that, we can
Yeah,
use
yeah,
the taking. After that, we use the verb have for the
yeah,
taking anything,
yeah,
consuming anything.
yeah.
Yes. Yes. Very good.